welcome. My name is Bronte for those of you that are new here, and today's video is going to be a huge closet declutter and clean with me. You guys, this closet is a disaster. It is so bad. Today's video is super exciting because not only is it gonna give you some major closet decluttering, cleaning, and organization motivation, it is a collab with one of my beautiful and sweet friends here on YouTube. Her name is Megan. You guys probably know her as Loving Life as Megan. She is just amazing. Her channel is so good. She has such great cleaning motivation. Her channel mostly focuses on cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and just home stuff. She does have some day in the life vlogs on there though. So after you're done watching my video, make sure you head on over to Megan's channel, give her a huge thumbs up, tell her hello, and show her some love. You guys will love her, I promise. If you guys are coming from Megan's channel, welcome. It is so nice to have you here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stick around and hang out with us too. We would love to have you join the family. We are just gonna jump right in. I am using some of these green baskets that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I also have these 2 buckets that I got from the Target dollar spot a while ago. I don't think they have them anymore. I got them a couple of years ago, and then I'm also going to be using these buckets that I got from the Dollar Tree. I actually bought these to organize this closet, do this project, and then I also had this Sterilite container that I'm going to be using on hand. I shopped my home before going out to buy anything, and I just picked up stuff from the Dollar Tree. You don't have to get all crazy and spend a ton of money to get your stuff organized. I just found what I had in the house that I wasn't using and then just picked up a few items from the Dollar Tree, so nothing super expensive. Always shop your home if you can, find stuff in your house. So we're just gonna start by emptying the closet. This is my son's closet. It is a complete disaster, as you can see. There are baby clothes, his old clothes, stuff just all over the floor that was once organized, but my kids got into it, so it's no longer organized. There's toys, there's hangers, there's just all sorts of stuff that does not belong on the floor that definitely needs to be organized. So now that I've taken everything out of the closet and moved it into my son's room and made a complete mess of his room, I am going to start by sorting through all of the old baby clothes for my 1.5-year-old daughter and sorting through my 4-year-old son's old clothes as well, figuring out what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to donate or give to friends with younger kids. And if you guys are new here, I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Bronte. I am a mommy of 2. I have a 4-year-old little boy and I have a 1.5-year-old little girl. I am married and I live in Las Vegas with my husband, our 2 kiddos, Tegan and Kingsley, and our dog Stoli. And if you are new here, I am so incredibly happy and thankful that you have clicked on my video. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to me to have every single one of you here, whether you are new or you are a returning subscriber. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It is so amazing to have you all here, and I hope that you are enjoying this video so far. And if you are, give it a big thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. And if you are new, take a second to come and introduce yourself in the comments. I would love to get to know you guys better. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Now that I've gone through the mountain of baby clothes and smaller toddler clothes, I'm going to go through my son's closet and find any more clothes that may not fit him anymore so that I can give those to a friend or that I can take those to Goodwill and donate those. Like I said earlier, I have a 4-year-old son who likes to dress himself. So I am going to try to organize his closet by sleeve length, and then I'm going to color coordinate them from there. So I'm going to start with the short sleeve shirts, and then I am going to work from blacks to colored shirts, and then I'm going to do the same thing for his long sleeve shirts as well as his jackets. He likes to pick out his own shirts right now, so I figured this was a way that I could help make that easier for him so that everything is just more organized and not just all cluttered together. And this is my way of me helping him help me. So I just figured this was going to be easier for both of us, and it is a little more aesthetically pleasing to have the shirts color coordinated and hung up by sleeve length. I am also going to hang up all of his dress up stuff and all of his costumes that can be hung up. He loves to dress up, so this would just be an easier way for him to be able to find something. I apologize if I sound super nasally and congested. It is because we are getting over being sick over here. But I'm just going to take all of their old baby blankets and I'm going to roll them up KonMari method style, and I am going to save them. I ended up putting them in a plastic Sterilite bin that I showed you guys in the very beginning of the video. They didn't end up staying in this drawer. I wanted to use the drawer for something else, so I went through the whole process of rolling them up and putting them in this drawer only to move them into that Sterilite container. But these are all of the kids' old baby blankets that I just cannot bear to part with. I'm very sentimental and I like to keep all of this stuff, especially the hospital blankets that we got when they were born. Maybe I'm a little bit of a hoarder, but it's fine. So I'm also going to be rolling up KonMari style the kids' capes and any other dress up stuff that cannot be hung up because it will either slip off the hanger or it just doesn't belong on a hanger.
Like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I'll be using this bin from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be putting Tegan's Legos in this bucket. Right now they're just in Ziploc bags, and it's just not the most organized method. Not that this bucket is any better, but at least they're all in one place, and I can put this bucket up high and my 1.5-year-old daughter cannot get into it. And when he wants to build Legos, he just has to grab this bucket, and he doesn't have to worry about carrying bags with him. The next thing that I'm going to do is go through this box that we've put all of his Hot Wheels tracks in. He has a lot of Hot Wheels and a lot of Hot Wheels tracks. So we put them in this huge box, and somehow it just became the collection area for all things that he doesn't want to play with. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to organize, find all the Hot Wheels, put them in their own separate bucket from the Dollar Tree, and then go through and find any toys that I can donate that he no longer plays with. So this bucket is just going to be strictly Hot Wheel tracks and Hot Wheels. And then we also have a bucket or a box in the closet that is just supposed to be Brio trains. These are Brio trains from when my husband was a little boy, so these have sentimental value and he loves playing with these. But these have also become somewhere that just toys get randomly dumped in, so I'm gonna go through and find anything that doesn't belong in the box, anything that's not a train track, or a truck built by my father-in-law. And then I am also going to finish sorting and cleaning up the closet, because this closet is a disaster, guys. I have my little helper, my 1.5-year-old daughter, and she's just going to supervise and make sure that everything gets done properly while she plays in her little red car.
I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, or you got me good.
So while the closet is starting to look good, this is the situation in my son's bedroom. We will come back to this and clean it up in just a minute. For now, we are gonna finish up the closet, finish up taking out stuff that doesn't belong in there, finish putting stuff away that needs to be put away in its spot where it will stay in its new little home that it belongs in. And I'm just gonna finish picking stuff up, organizing anything that needs to be finished organizing, stuff that I found on the floor, like this hood to my son's coat, put that back on there. And then I am finally going to vacuum the floors, because you know that it has been a hot minute since the floors have been vacuumed. I mean, you guys saw that pile of stuff on the floors. I haven't cleaned up anything in this closet since we moved in here in June. So now I finally get to vacuum, and look at those vacuum lines. That is so satisfying.
I know that you know it, you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems.
And now it is time to move on to cleaning up the huge mess that I have made of my son's room. So I'm just gonna pick everything up, put the trash in a box that I need to get rid of, put all the toys that I'm going to donate over by the trash, and then just really pick everything up, get everything off the floor so that I can make his room look as nice as the closet looks.
Great face, loving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to.
I'm going to organize the books. Usually I would color coordinate them so it looks like a rainbow, but today I'm not going to do that because it just never stays color coordinated, even though I think it's super cute. Today I'm just going to organize them by size, going from largest to smallest, just so that they look nice and everything is put on the shelf. It won't stay like this for long because that's just life with two little kids, but at least they will be off the floor and look nice for at least a little bit.
We got great face, loving romance in the madness.
The kids have these really cute little stuffed animals that go in this playhouse, so I'm going to put all of the little stuffed animals in this Dollar Tree basket that I already had at home, and the little beds the little dolls are supposed to sleep in, and I'm going to put that stuff in the closet in a minute, but I'm also just going to pick everything up off of the floor. There's such random junk all over the floor, broken pieces, missing pieces, hangers, I don't even know, just the most random stuff ever, car tracks that need to be put away in the closet. So I'm just gonna pick everything up off the floor, then I'm gonna put Tegan's stuffed animals that are on his bed back in the stuffed animal basket that is under his bed, and then I will actually make his bed because it is a hot mess right now.
You already messed it up. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever.
Tegan's bed is so hard to make. It's the coolest bed ever. I'm obsessed with his loft bed. So is he. He loves it so much. And it's awesome because it has drawers and it has little bookshelves that come with it. But it is so hard to make. If you guys have the zip-up bedding, like Betty beds or something similar to that, would you let me know how you like it and if it has made your life easier? I seriously am considering getting something like that. I had somebody else comment on one of my last videos telling me that they have that for a bed similar to this, a bunk bed I believe it was, and they said it was a lifesaver. So if you have the zip-up bedding like Betty beds, let me know down below, where did you get it? Was it cheaper than the Betty beds? Because I seriously need to invest in something like that. Now, Kingsley and I are just going to vacuum up Tegan's room. Look at those carpet lines, you guys. That is seriously the most satisfying thing to me. I am obsessed with carpet lines. If I could have somebody come and clean my carpets every single day to give me those really good carpet lines, I totally would.
Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine, but I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I would.
Are you guys ready for this transformation? Not only does the bedroom look a million times better than it did when I first started this whole project, but the closet, you guys, I cannot believe how much I was able to get done, especially just being me and the kids at home today. But I actually conquered this mess and I was able to get everything organized, decluttered, and cleaned. All of his shirts, all of his jackets, all of his costumes, and all of his pajamas are hung up and they are organized and making it easy for him to find everything. I could have gotten a little wild and color corded the hangers, but I don't have time for that, especially just me and the kids being at home. But all of the toys in the closet have a place to call home now. They have their own spot and everything is easy to find, and it's not just a big huge jumbled mess with stuff all over the place. I hope that this video has been motivating to you. Maybe you have a project to tackle that you haven't been wanting to do, just like I didn't want to do this closet. I left it for 3 months and I would just shut the door and pretend that the mess wasn't there. But I hope that this gets you up and gets you motivated to conquer something that you haven't been wanting to do that seems like a big huge chore for you, because get it done. You will feel so much better after you do. It is so satisfying to walk into the closet now and see that everything is organized and in its own place. This is the before, in case you forgot what it looked like. You couldn't even see the floor. And this is the after. It is just amazing. You guys, I can't even handle it. If you are coming from Megan's channel, please stick around and subscribe if you liked this video. I have so much more content similar to this, a lot of cleaning, a lot of home stuff, and I also have mom vlogs out there. And don't forget to go stop by Megan's channel, watch her video, show her some love, and tell her that I sent you. I hope that you guys have a super amazing day. Thank you for being here and thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video.
You're my comfort zone.